So, you came to see the boss. Click subscribe, smash the like button, and don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss future videos. Always remember what the boss says. Don't fall for the okie doke.
Well, here we are again, tubers. It's Crypto Big Boss coming at you again with another exciting crypto coin review. So today I wanted to talk to you about Raven coin. Before we dig into this, I guess we can look at the price. It's sitting around a penny. It's January 2019. This coin is something I just looked at, didn't really pay much attention to it. I figured it's time to dig into it, so let's just go ahead and just dig into this one and see where we're at. Rank 93. Okay. It says Raven coin. What is Raven coin? In a fictitious world of Westeros, ravens are used as messengers who carry statements of truth. Raven coin is a use case specific blockchain designed to carry statements of truth about who owns what. That's kind of vague. Let me see. Raven coin aims to implement a blockchain which is optimized specifically for the use case of transferring assets such as tokens from one holder to another. Okay, that's interesting. Let's take a look at the timeline. What do they got going? Let's take a look at this. Discussed by Bruce Fenton various times on social media between 2017 and January 2018. Okay, that's big. Announced by Bruce Fenton at MIT. Announced by Bruce at Bentley College. Announced by Bruce at Texas. Bruce Fenton is hot on this. Discussed by Bruce at LatBit conference in Colombia. Okay, then. Let's talk a little bit. Listen, Bruce Fenton. So, for those who don't know who Bruce Fenton is, Bruce Fenton is a blockchain Bitcoin investor. And if we go and take a look at who he is, we're going to find out he became involved with Bitcoin in 2012, and he's been involved with Bitcoin and blockchain industry since 2013. So this is not some lightweight. This guy's been there from the beginning. He's founder, president of Atlantic Financial Blockchain Labs, founder and CEO of Chainstone Labs, and a board member at Medici Ventures, a subsidiary of Overstock. And we've all heard of Overstock, big time company. Looks like they're interested in getting into the entire blockchain gang. So we've got somebody here who knows something about Bitcoin, and he's out here raving about Raven coin. So if we go back and look at their project and their timeline, let's keep looking and see what we've got. Looks like we've got mentioned Raven coin at Free State Blockchain Digital Assets Conference in 2017. Let's see. CPU mining is possible. Telegram and Discord channel. Pool adds Raven support. Supernova, oh, that's big. Patrick Byrne talks about Ravencoin. Overstock CEO and Bitcoin pioneer. Okay, so we got two heavyweights here. Two heavyweights. The Overstock CEO, and you've got Bruce Fenton. Cointelegraph article. White paper for X16R algorithm released. Great. Ravencoin stats. Let's see what else. Ravencoin song. Oh, they're gonna make songs about Ravencoin, huh? GPU mining. First Ravencoin meetup. Okay, they're meeting. They're getting together. This is incredible. Exchanges add Ravencoin, Crypto Bridge, and Jam BTC. Another Raven song. Oh, brother. AMD miner released. Raven buying and selling. Crypto coin charts. Raven listed on CoinMarketCap. Wow. Okay, we've got multiple exchanges here. Raven mentioned in Overstock earnings call. Okay, we've already established that connection. Seeking Alpha blog. Start this timeline. Raven added to NASDAQ. Okay. Roadmap published. Okay, they got a plan. You know what? This is the third Raven song. Let me see what we got here. I'm gonna hear the Raven. What is all this Raven song stuff?
Transferring assets
Oh,
from
God.
me to you.
Oh, God.
Delivering truth.
Oh, God.
That's what ravens do.
Oh, God.
It's open to all. Every day through and through. It's a new world and a free world. You and me world on the
I don't know if I can take
blockchain. It's Raven
Okay.
Coin.
Oh, no.
Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it.
Secure and decentralized. That was always the plan. It's fair.
Okay. I you know what? I can't do it. I can't listen to the song. I can't listen to the song. Let's just go back and understand what the coin is and take a look at what they said it would do. Ravencoin aims to implement a blockchain which is optimized specifically for the use case of transferring assets such as tokens from one to another. And it sounds to me like the use case is just showing, okay, who owns what. And when they start talking about assets, we got to start digging in. So we see we've got Bruce Fenton and we've got the CEO of Overstock also touting this coin that was based on the entire Bitcoin proof from the onset. And I guess what they've done is they've gotten a whole bunch of developers. My understanding is Overstock financed a whole bunch of developers coming in and improving the Bitcoin algorithm. So let's take a look and see exactly what has happened. If we look in December of 2018, just as a proof of principle of this concept, there's an article published about stealth mode. FinTech Chainstone Labs completes an equity transfer with security token to Medici Ventures using Raven Coin blockchain. Okay, so we are talking now big stuff. Medici Ventures, the blockchain holding company subsidiary of Overstock, okay, says it completed an equity token transfer using Raven Coin blockchain. Medici reports it purchased $3.6 million in Chainstone Labs, a stealth fintech startup that is focused on digital securities. Chainstone, founded by CEO Bruce Fenton, also owns Atlantic Financial, a digital asset investment and advisory company. The entire transaction was a bit of a proof of concept operation, as the transfer was touted as showing the simplicity of security transactions using blockchain. A video of the transaction was made for posterity. Ravencoin is a public blockchain that has captured the interest of Overstock Zero. It was reported earlier this year that Overstock purchased 60 million Raven coins at 3 cents and was assisted with the platform development. The Chainstone Digital Security Token is one of the first equity tokens issued using a public blockchain. Jonathan Johnson, president of Medici Ventures, said that the Chainstone holds the same vision as Medici, that the blockchain is the future of securities transaction. Faster, simpler, and more secure. Skip down, Fenton said that the ease of moving digital securities has the potential to change the way the global economy works, and Medici has the operational expertise to pursue the shared mission. I go on to say that the 3.6 million digital security transaction was said to represent 3.6 million in equity of Chainstone. So, what we have here is a sub company of one of Brian Fitton's companies conducting an operational test of moving securities from Overstock to this other smaller company. It's an operational test that would be further applied to something bigger and broader like the NASDAQ. And apparently the NASDAQ is reportedly considering creating a platform for cryptocurrency security tokens. That is exactly what Bruce Fenton and the Overstock CEO just completed their operational test of, moving security tokens from one entity to the other, and they used the Raven coin blockchain to do that. If we go down and look at what they're looking at for the NASDAQ, it says, according to reports, NASDAQ plans to develop a platform where companies can conduct sales of security tokens in a similar manner to the popular initial coin offering Crowdsdale fundraising. These security token offerings are in effect crowd sale for regulated ICO tokens. Reports indicate that the NASDAQ is pushing through with these plans, holding high-level talks with Symbiont, a blockchain startup focused on institutional blockchain solutions. According to the inside sources, the proposed NASDAQ platform will be both issue and trade cryptocurrency security tokens. NASDAQ interest in security tokens isn't new development. In 2015, NASDAQ partnered with Chain.com to conduct the first ever blockchain-based private security issuance. If stock exchange behemoth goes ahead with its plans, it will become the latest entrant into the rapidly growing niche of crypto securities trading, which already has participants like T0 and Polymath. Okay, so if we keep looking, it also says that earlier in this year, NASDAQ CEO Adena Friedman said that the stock exchange operator would consider becoming a cryptocurrency exchange platform once the regulatory landscape becomes more mature. So here we are in 2019 with the federal government looming with its decisions that it's going to make in February and March of this year. And we have the NASDAQ already exploring the idea of using security tokens as a means of basically showing ownership of securities on the NASDAQ exchange. And we have an operational test already conducted by Overstock and Bruce Fenton's smaller company there. So I wonder what blockchain they were probably going to consider when they go and try to do this test on the NASDAQ. They've already completed the test. Guys, this is easy. When we go back, take a look, we can see right now that the price of Raven coin is just sitting around a penny. It's been as high as a nickel. But if the NASDAQ Stock Exchange accepts the idea of adopting a blockchain as a means of basically exchanging who owns what commodity on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange, this would be a nuclear explosion.
Taylor McGinn Boss.
This would be a nuclear explosion No wonder Overstock is buying up all the Raven coin. And no wonder they're sitting up there basically conducting operational tests and pouring money into the development of the coin. If this were to go through, it would just throw Raven coin into the Bitcoin realm. With that, I'm going to just let this one sit. And I'm going to say, if you've enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Ring the bell so you don't miss out on future analysis. As always, I'm always stressing to folks that you need to do your own research. We are not a financial institution. However, we do go and do research to basically find different cryptocurrencies that could potentially help you reach your level of financial freedom. It's Crypto Big Boss, and I'm out of here.